In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the safety plunger, also known as your firing pin safety, and your extractor. Notice, compared to the Gen 5s, you don't have that spring and pin back here that retain that plunger. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your Glock tool, nothing fancy, and you're going to locate this little hole just behind the plunger, right there. You're going to push that tool in. You should hear it click, so let's see if we hear it. Right there. You're going to leave the tool stuck in there, and we're going to wiggle and play with the plunger until it comes loose. Sometimes it takes a little bit of finagling. Oh, there it goes. Try to cup it if you can. Shouldn't go too far, but there you have it. And your extractor. There it is. And that's how you're going to disassemble or remove your safety plunger and extractor from a Gen 6 Glock. To reinstall it, you would just work the process backwards. To reinstall the safety plunger and the extractor, just going to work it in reverse. Can't put the plunger in the wrong way. If you do, you'll know. I'm going to grab your extractor here, make sure that also goes in the right way. If not, you'll know. So push down the plunger. Everything seems to be in there pretty good. Let's pull the tool out and let's check for function. Make sure I'm going to cup it. Make sure my plunger doesn't go anywhere. And let's check the extractor here. Make sure we got tension. Nope. So as you can see, the plunger came out. So let's reinsert our tool here and try this again. All right, let's try again. You can't have that coming out, right? Make sure you find the right way, right direction. There we go. Seems like the plunger didn't catch the extractor. Put that back in. Everything should be in there. Just cup it so it doesn't fly out in case it does. Plunger seems to be in there. Let's check again for function here on the extractor, keeping our thumb underneath the plunger in case it flies out again. If I can catch it, there we go. Why can't I catch it? There we go. All right. That's how you do it. That's it. Make sure you always function test everything. Everything seems to be back in. And we can see that little, hopefully the camera will pick it up, but we can see that little silver piece there. That's what's going to hold everything in place. And we're back in business. Thank you for watching. We hope this helps you. And please do not forget to follow us on Instagram at CT Pistol Class. Stay safe.